with chains around our necks. Oh. Fresh cargo ready for sale.
The beat of the drum is in our hearts.
If I have done wrong in that, I trust that I shall be forgiven. For I cast myself upon the atonement. I would rather die upon yonder gallows, than to live in slavery.
Resisting the oppression starting the revolution, fighting the rebellion, embracing my freedom. Beat the drum, 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 beat the drum every night, every day. Make my crack hear the drum every night, every day. Beat the drum every minute, every hour. Black man power, mash up every night, Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, boom.
I love it. It's the best show I've ever seen.
These are my Jamaicans. They were amazing. We loved it. My hands are hurting from clapping.
It's really nice. Perfect.
Great, absolutely great.
Everything, like dancing, singing, acting. Energy was really good. Loved it. Always love it. Beat the drum, the beat the drum, the beat the drum, the beat the drum, the beat the drum. I sing it all the time.
I felt it in my heart.
We were just talking about how interesting it is to bring it to a white audience to see. I think it's so important, and it's something that, an audience here, we're not that aware of that history.
The message.
They were the best.
They were the best. They were the best. The message, it's subtle yet bold, and it's just like nothing I've ever seen before. It's absolutely incredible.